laser-sealed paper packaging. A glue-free revolution. Researchers in Germany have developed a novel manufacturing process that uses lasers to seal paper packaging, eliminating the need for traditional adhesives. This innovation addresses a key environmental issue with paper packaging: contamination from glues and plastics that hinder recycling efforts and degrade recycled material quality. The project, dubbed Papier, leverages the combined expertise of 4 Fraunhofer institutes specializing in materials science, laser technology, and packaging engineering. How it works. The science behind laser sealing the process begins with detailed analysis of paper composition. Using techniques like electron microscopy and spectroscopy, scientists identify paper types suitable for laser sealing. The core principle involves irradiating the paper with a carbon monoxide laser. This rapid heating converts natural wood-based compounds, lignin, hemicellulose, and cellulose, into fusible cleavage products. These act as a natural adhesive, forming strong seals when heat and pressure are applied. The key advantage is that no foreign substances are introduced, making the final product fully recyclable without compromising the quality of recycled materials. Researchers are currently optimizing laser intensity and seam designs to maximize bond strength. Current testing shows a narrow, 3M seal can hold over 44 pounds. From lab to production. The pilot machine, the team has already constructed a laboratory-scale manufacturing unit capable of producing standard 4-sided paper bags, similar to those used by companies like Lego. The focus now is on miniaturizing the laser modules and integrating real-time quality control systems. By the end of September, the pilot machine aims to produce 10 packages per minute, demonstrating scalability for industrial applications. This technology has the potential to significantly reduce waste and improve the sustainability of paper packaging across various industries. This laser sealing method represents a significant step towards more environmentally friendly packaging solutions, offering a viable alternative to traditional adhesives while maintaining high structural integrity.